Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color fill text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word colorful and I'm going to select a font for it. Then I'm just going to enable the stroke here and I'm just going to copy and paste this real quick. Select this one and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to enable stroke and you're going to select a white color for that. Let me just turn off the stroke for this one. There we go. Alright, so on this one, you're going to select a different color, for instance, pink or purple. It's up to you what color you want. You can even make them a different color for each, letter, I guess. Let me just change that purple. It's a little bit too dark. So that's what I'm going to do right about now. I'm just going to change all the colors here. Trying to do it as quick as I can, so please be patient. Let's do this lighter pink, I guess. I don't know. Once you have selected your colors, you're going to make this a little bit longer. Right click on the one on top, select create compound clip. Then you are going to select mask and you're going to select the horizontal one and you're going to rotate it 90 degrees and you're going to start here. Add in a keyframe here and at the end or in the middle you're going to drag the line. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!